Oh, yeah, from Ben Bruce, baby, I'll be a meeting check as CNM, Xposed GH, ni, one subscriber, the 2 man now on Saka. Yes, say, and number or that parcel, and then you boom, you boom, you boom, and then the number that parcel, won't to me, you boom, giddy. Won't to me, as them. Na, Captain Smart can say, be not some no kind of every day, because they are some of the Biamica. But say, Ghanaian politicians say, if you follow them, open so winter man, I follow. You go to Captain Smart by me bomb my judge them.
Politicians not so.
I'm telling you. Yeah, the president say you sua. Or person trust a party no na wona wajimi. They be obe say nipa ba ko president bi e you su do. Wona ye you su. Ese say won say party no nyina wona wajimi. Wonim, wo de ye ka de Japan.
Yeah.
Wo you su ka de Japan.
Yeah.
Eke kan se hun krom ha sa kan bag sa eyire so no na fe party for na hun se hierarchy na hun se ya twe Canada Japan mu nsuo nyina awie
e din ehwe nye
ya twe ne mu nsuo awie to no so hun se no o ye me fanfu no o se me nya president ni bia medi because ya de di no wo de no to nchen a after no, you saw Abronye.
Oh.
So at a certain point in time, Abronye became the one in the NPPR. As a European ball and a manner, no do Kosumina, so do a kushia to him. That's right. Not on all the court. When we or no, and we said no, I feel you're executive member. It's here you switch my wound to me. But I think say because of politics, until we take so many things for granted in this country. Number one, John Dramani Mahama, now or you're the leading opposition leader in this country. As now what the one second assembly to me sikrum.
Absolutely.
Now watch this. Wouldn't to me on TV essay on ordinary kosuya mienu no ehu. Tieni you ordinary ehu. Say John Mahama yere ye maame Lordina kodwom okodidwa abenu aduane na ofiri dwom na okuta ne board ya ne banch ne niema na wakodidwa ne de ba fie no obeduru ye no e na ohun say wo house help John Mahama butu no so.
Can you imagine this?
Ene ne da ama Lordina buafu. And until the Lordina mpeso be campaign.
That is so dangerous.
And I was thinking, said that then national security will behave. Say when we have national security, but then your party security. Don't want invite you to me because so the near one a camera has been on the quarter Mahama fee. And at that material moment, you know, I would. Now can you say a shah some say Mahama your opposition leader? As a say or your former president.
Yeah, a statesman.
Obi say ordinary ko hu woni fie o tienie say on the house help eda. Ema na yiri buafu. Wuntumi the cameras na kwhyehyem former president fie. Say kura no ese ye chi wuntumi. Be ye de ko president kufo fie.
Yeah. Yes,
near the corner now fie near say bia on far cameras being kwhyehyem hwa obema terrorist attacking anado. Obema terrorist attack J Kufo. Obema terrorist attack John Mahama and even the country at large.
Yeah.
Because okansa asem no every obi afa the try say if it's a political talk. Maybe your national security coordinator that time can won't me or a man come afie.
Call them.
Oh no yeah. Because one, you should be able to tell us and introduce to the security architecture of this country. Abaya na wokano say otiminya access ABT security enter the bedroom
of the
former
president.
Then it means that lady, she's something else. Because no security under the sun, even the worst presidential security under the sun, will not allow a girlfriend to go through the doors of baby a former president te ye na koda ne mpaso but won't me can some way offer no ho edi again ojina Kumasi said den say Muhammad Ghana soldier fo nyina di na chi
oni omo negotiate say ono na ye governor
na ode wo mo ba wo mu ntimi nya na hwe
aba
hwe wo ntimi kasa ase boso so no tiotumfo ka kuntumi okasa okrom ha asa boso so a MPP bu no ona otua sabe yewura otumfo ka okasa aso dwonso crude oil asa wuntimi anjonso a Ghana yenya diesel yenya petrol yenya kerosene na wudane
okam
afen na wudane time na ye cheche ye no sabe okrom ha he thought say na F okasa na ede ena wuntimi ni dem maslog and Toland cruiser
yeah
Ghana fontim ye President Kufuor maslog ba Ghana ha no day na wo launch ne ye na ye wase bi maslog ye fan Toland cruiser but wuntimi at the maslog eka
yeah
eka banya a land cruisers
that's also the small cars be me achi me no kra wo Blue Gates the Blue Gates
then na maslog sika the Toland cruiser na waje no na de ahye ne ho na oto again hwe forester o use you akunta mines
yeah
so our constituency
our constituency
yes the one our win yes
you be kan wasem
wuntumi akufado etam forest ne man
owi no be twa ntro kire Ghana for say onye
o de man na mani to the portions na gold ni tie ho no otuye na ka nkate ase no ena na do be ka say as of now that I am speaking teni yo bro for kan no the BT ye as of now let us say mpempren de akunta mines
enye
galam say na before time no kasa na akunta mines no ye den yet krom obi aka brofo anu na chese waben
oh
ene ye ne wodidi forest ni munyina ye forester ye tu aseni nyina no wuntimi di mu akotene odi forest ni mu akotene ko sa forest ni me refi forest ni kra
Sabra boy Tamro Dumri forest
that's right ko hwe ade a waye wo forest ni anye ye kura no anka ye say ye forest reserve wo ho dent na ma akufado ene na ban timi tena se hwe nyame anim se se de yetimi ye mine na wo forest dem pa na ba MPP fo adwem wo de yentena se ne yendwene ho nyina din se Ghana nyina ya ye mra ato wo se ye bedi digala ne se den kura ye betu gold ne se den kura de ye forest de emra ne se yembo ho ban because when the last tree dies the last man will die
yeah sure
edu etwa to wa asase so hia enipa e wa asase so ina so ye nyina na ye kro no na forest na da ho no wo matimi aye mra no adane ani adane amaguntumi mana kosi forest ni edwiri ni nyina e de etu the gold na watimi nya gold e de akotena TV so te say dem kuta mobile phones mieni na wayi gold enye gold kitenkete gold bars na on the TV so cassette this is cash na akwa we ni nam krom ha national security anya na hwe because he was being used by the president being used by Gabi Ochredako being used by the former finance minister being used by Asante Bedietu he was being used and had the biggest support of the then Minister of Lands and Natural Resources Jinapo
okay
and when Jinapo realized that Adiana Akwane yana fadia ayeye you remember the ministry wrote
a letter
the Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources wrote to the president. Your friend is saying Minerals Commission they wrote to the president.
Absolutely.
Forestry Commission they wrote to the president. Ask yourself, president MF didn't na ma president anya ho hwe
odidi man odidi man he chop I chop
enti ene ni ti ye pa lawyer na wa fa no ho
and dey appear ko bi
I think there's a strategic your friend saying
yes
recruitment of that lawyer but still no said ne wan kwa o mechi
wontumi nka so
obedem okon ne o mesa arresting wo ne lawyer nanim na so ye bema wontumi se so ye bema on the say asanteman ye ne dia on do baby crop a chese wo be wura kuma se na negotiate really na bantama hene wo ho asafo hene wo ho continue akomo mo hwe akire mu asante hene na ono se wo be wura kuma se a wo be wura asantema mu a je wo ni ono negotiate so ye bema enne e mane nko
all right
aha so atibi we ye futuo me kai me share video bi about chairman general chairman Peace FM Kwame Sefakai na o tu Samije Fifo o se na woti hai usantia na da obenyi o politicians bobo say ye yusu keke yen kai me kai mo na nsen ya Samije Fifo ho ba asem a se bi okoche agrada sa here agrada say $800 yes super na eno nkwada there are so many instances yeah you should pick up for as the front na so ye bewie no sabe na party na twe ne ho enti wo ba mu ene se wo ye bibi adwe wo yie na enka se ene wa ban wotumi enti wo be ye bibia sabe ewo oboso ochina tables ne tani a wa hwe ya no waso ahye waso yiso ya hye a waseba ahye because asem no senia ye bo wa chiri ho ni nsuo senia ye bro anafo no eno na ba se ho asa na ye bebro nti wo ya ade a na hwe ni yi Xposed GHF bembro so subscribe me de tuma na usaka be manuasi.
Watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.